I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today we're going to show you how to install a Tusk Stage 1 UTV Upgrade Kit for the Can-Am Maverick X3 XRC. Now the Stage 1 kit is the most basic option out of the three kits, and it's going to come with some accessories to give you added protection and comfort while you're out on your ride. So what the kit comes with is the removable half windshield, the alloy mirror kit with A-pillar mounts, and a polycarb rear window. Now be aware that some X3s have a different rear window than others, so make sure you type in your year, make, and model when you go to order. But other than that, all of this stuff is simple to install, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start out with the polycarb rear window. We've laid out a blanket so this doesn't get scratched, and I'm wearing rubber gloves so I don't get my fingerprints all over it. So all we need to do to prep this is remove the protective coating from both sides. Over at the machine, we're going to apply the foam tape across the larger roll cage tube, and if you have any extra, you can trim it off. Now we can set the rear window in place. Now we're going to take the 8 hook and loop straps, and we're just going to loosely install them through each slot and around the roll cage. And then once you have all of those installed, you can go back through and make your adjustments and tighten those straps down. Moving on to the half windshield, again, I have my rubber gloves to keep my fingerprints off. Then we're going to remove the protective film from both sides. Next, we're going to lay the windshield so the bend at the top is facing away from us. And then we're going to take the foam tape and we're going to go around the sides and bottom with this. And just make sure you cut out the sections next to those 2 lower mounting locations. Now over at the machine, at the very front, you're going to notice that there's a couple dimples. What we need to do is drill out the outermost dimple on the left and the right side. And to do that, what we're going to do is remove these 3 bolts, and you've got 2 push rivets we're going to take out as well. We're going to drill out the outer dimple on each side of the machine. We're going to use an 11/32 inch drill bit. Flex the dash, install the J-nut, and then reinstall your hardware, and you can do the same steps on the other side. Now we can set the half windshield in place. Now we can wrap the Velcro clamps around the roll cage through the slot in the half windshield, and we'll go behind the bar on the clamp. Wrap that around and back through the windshield, and we're going to leave that just a little loose. That way we can line up our mounting knob with that J-nut. We're going to screw that in place. We're going to leave it loose enough we can make more adjustments. We'll do the same thing on the other side, make our final adjustments, then we'll tighten the clamps down and snug up the knobs. Now for the mirror mounts, we're going to start on the driver's side, and the driver mirror mount is different than the passenger. So the passenger has this curve in it, and it's going to curve out away from the machine. So be aware of that. But to set this in place, all you're going to do is take your M6 by 60 millimeter bolts, go through the bracket, through the hole in the frame, and then you're going to follow that up with a flat washer on the back side and a nylock nut. Okay, now before we go to the other side, I do want to point out the mirrors, or these alloy mirrors, they're both set up for the right side already. So what you want to do is your 3/16 inch Allen. You're going to loosen this up, and all of a sudden this becomes the driver's side mirror. And the other one, not a bad idea, just to make sure that center bolt is snugged up when you put it on. So this bolt in the side, this is takes a 5 millimeter Allen. You've got the star washer right behind it. Don't lose that. Take the bolt, go through the inside of the bracket, install the star washer, and thread this into the mirror. adjust it where you want it, tighten it down, and then do those same steps on the other side. And that's how easy it is to install the Tusk Stage 1 UTV Upgrade Kit on your Can-Am Maverick X3. If you need one of these kits, they're available on our website, so go check that out. They're going to qualify for free shipping. And with this stuff, if you have any questions about it, leave those questions down in the comments below. If this helped you out, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.